Good morning, students.
Good morning.
Today's activity about
The living components of an environment is called biotic components. The non-living components of an environment is called abiotic components.
to have some biotic and abiotic components on these pages. You have to collect one component, either it is biotic and abiotic, and then paste on the chart.
Mountains are abiotic components. Soil is the abiotic component. Producer are biotic components. Sun is a abiotic component. Consumers are biotic components. Decomposers are biotic components.